Meade Tractor is getting down to earth by making it convenient and easy to manage your account with our online customer portal called My Meade Tractor. You have access 24/7 at our website, meadetractor.com. Just click on the My Meade Tractor button. From there, create your account and log in as a My Meade Tractor user. Search and order your John Deere parts. It's simple. You can check availability and pricing at all Meade Tractor locations. You can pick up in store or choose convenient home delivery. If you need service, no more waiting on the phone. You can make your request 24 hours a day from your nearest Meade Tractor location. You now have the convenience to view your invoices online, past and present. And with My Meade Tractor, you can manage your John Deere equipment, view equipment service history, find machine-specific parts, or request added value services like preventive maintenance, extended warranty, and annual service. You can do it all from your laptop, tablet, or phone at any time of the day. The convenience of My Meade Tractor lets you save time for the more important things. Check out My Meade Tractor at meadetractor.com. Just another way Meade Tractor helps you get down to earth.